What up, people? It's your boy Manny. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Manny's Mexican Minute. This time we're at a new place over here on Broadway. It's actually an old place. It used to be called Rudy's Pizza. Now they're going under a different change, and it's now called the Zocalo. It's a Mexican joint. I heard they have fresh, made from scratch gorditas or pupusas inside. So we're gonna check it out on this wintry day. Finally got some snow this weekend. And I figured, you know what? I don't want to cook at home, so let's go inside and try it out. Follow me. Alright, people, so we're inside of El Zocalo. Sorry I didn't name it. It's hard to say, but pretty awesome. So we're inside. We have pupusas here. We have quesadilla. Check out this quesadilla, you guys. Look at that. Oh, if you smelled what I'm smelling right now. So right here on the right, I did a half and half. So we did one half is wheat lacoche, and the other half is pumpkin flour, right? So we're gonna try this quesadilla. And then my wife here, she got the bean and cheese. I'm guessing because of the darker color. That's the bean and cheese one. And then this is the pork rind one, right? Yeah, pork rind. So we're gonna try these, you guys. Hopefully it's delicious. Hopefully it's nutritious and everything good for us. I'm gonna dive right in here. Now this place is brand new. They're so new, matter of fact, that when we came here today, they don't have menus yet. That's how new it is. It looks like maybe a transfer of ownership happened or something. I don't exactly know the whole story. I'm sure I'll get it before I leave. But you're here for the food. So they have a very limited menu, obviously. So limited that they don't have a menu yet. But that ain't gonna stop us. Check it out. Obviously the tortilla is homemade. They make this from scratch. They make these from scratch. They're using that Oaxaca cheese. Really recommend that. I'm gonna dive into Teresa's too. I'm gonna cut this. Just actually, if you want to zoom in here, Teresa. So that's actually the bean and cheese one right there. Bean and cheese. Simple. Let's cut this one. That's the chicharron one. There we go. I see some pepper flakes. Wow, that one's fire. I'll leave you guys with that, you guys. Teresa's phone is going off, so we're gonna handle that call. But try a new place out. Come on in here. Small, it's nice. Sorry, I had to quiet that. But yeah, come on in here. The place is called the Zocalo. It's at the old Rudy's Pizza location on Broadway Street. I'm gonna show the outside and maybe I don't know. Stay tuned. Might get some more food. That was one big quesadilla. It was delicious. The wheat lacoche was fresh. If you've never heard of wheat lacoche, I did a video once before because there's only one other restaurant in Rockford that uses it, and that's not important because we're at this restaurant. So the wheat lacoche was fresh. It was delicious. It is a it is a fungus, like a mushroom. It's kind of like a Mexican mushroom that grows on corn in Mexico. So that wheat lacoche was fire. The fresh the calabaza flowers, the pumpkin flowers, those were fire. That was nice and spicy. So that all in all, the quesadilla was fresh. The fresh made tortilla, the giant tortilla that they use. The pupusas, I'm gonna be honest, the pupusas were more like Mexican stuffed gorditas. But that doesn't mean that doesn't mean anything. That just means come try them because they are delicious. Those were delicious too. Teresa liked those. So come try the new place out, man. It's an old place. It's been here forever. You probably didn't even know about it. It was called Rudy's Pizza. So the sign out front still says Rudy's Pizza, right on Broadway Street, close to 20th. But come check it out. They're going under a change of arms. You know, the new owners, new name, new menus coming out soon. But for now, they're still taking orders. I don't know what happened there. But I'm going to leave you guys with that, man. Hopefully you guys come and try out the food at El Zocalo. Tell them I sent you. Tell them your boy sent you. And if you like this content, you see what I'm doing, you like what I'm doing out here, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll leave you guys with that. Anything else, Trees? All right, people. Until next time, love, peace, and taco grease.